Talent Search Cymru is back.
Here come off the laptop, he come grooving up slowly. He got juju, I what she want, holy rolling. She got head down to his name. Got to be a joker, he just do what he play. You wear no shoes, shine, he got touchdown football, he got monkey finger, he should Coca-Cola, he say, I know you, you know me. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now over me. He got early warning, he wanted more, he wanted, he wanted more. Your filter, he said, want and want his pain. Got to be good looking, cause it's so hard to say. Come together right now over me. Jump together, jump together, jump together, yeah. Come on. Jump together, yeah. Jump together. Thank you very much.
Well done, Zach. Kelly, what did you think of Zach's performance tonight?
Oh, I enjoyed that again. I love your voice. You've got like a really old school, rocky, gruff voice, you know, and I love it. And you added so much to that, you know, the falsetto and the scream and the ad-libs, and you really made it your own. Like this is not a criticism what I'm about to say now, this is just a personal, like there's like a Godsmack do a version of that and they do the karaoke, and your voice on that track, because it's so much more thick and more rocky, I would love to hear you sing that with that track, but that's just my own personal preference, that is. But you know I'm a huge fan of yours, I have been since I was in season 4 with you, and I love what you do. I absolutely, it's just like being at a live show, you know, because you have that amount of energy and you do so much with your songs. I just thoroughly enjoyed it. Well done.
Thank you very much. Zoe?
I don't think you'll ever fail to amaze us, to be honest. Like, I was really looking forward to your performance this evening because of what you did in the auditions. And it's just confirmed that I am deeply in love with your voice. Like, I thoroughly love it. You just, when you're on that stage, your energy, like, it's something else. Like, you have so much passion and guts, and I think that is like the main thing I love about you when you perform. Do you know what it was for me in that performance? So it was the over me's, like, because you'd be up there, you'd be all mental, and then you just bring it back down so effortlessly and sweetly, and you'd be like, oh, and it was just so, I loved it. It was honestly a mega performance. Well done.
Cheers. Clark?
I'm saying this lightly because the idea of perfection is nonsense, but that was like what I consider to be a perfect performance. I cannot find a single fault or failure in that. Everything was top notch, which is, to be honest, what I'd expect from you now. You've been on the top of your game for longer than you even realise. I'm dead serious. We're friends outside this competition. We talk every now and again. It's like you say to me like, I've lost so much of what I've got, and it's like, no, you haven't. No, it's not. You have not lost a damn thing. In fact, you've improved so much without even knowing. It takes a lot of guts to actually take a Beatles song and really put your own spin on it because of how protective people are over the legacy and the legendary status of the Beatles, who were legends, obviously. But the fact that you managed to take that and turn it into something so incredible, so amazing, and so perfect. You had the audience going, you had, you know, the beautiful highs and lows, the light and shade, like everyone said. Honestly, man, you came into this competition. I don't know, really, at this point that you're at, I don't know what more you can learn from this process that you don't already know and are not capable of doing. You entered this competition to continue to believe in yourself, to get that back. Once you've got that, there is nothing stopping you. The world doesn't know what's coming for it. Well done.
Cheers. Zach, yeah, again, like I said, in terms of the level that you're at as a vocalist, I don't think we're ever going to be able to fault that at this point now in the competition. But nevertheless, I still want to pressure you. You know, that's what we want. You know, I don't want you to have an easy ride through this process. You know, because I still want you to, you know, feel the pressure and take on the challenges and stuff. So, like, in terms of the song choice, it was fab. We know you can do this, but what I would definitely do in future is definitely stay away from songs that I personally heard you sing before within the competition. The only reason I say this, no, I don't know if you've done that in the competition.
No, I literally did a recording. But
yeah, but I've heard you sing it before.
Right.
Only because I want to keep being surprised with you. I don't want to get bored. I don't want to become repetitive. So even though you're at a fantastic level, Zach, honest to God, buddy, that was incredible. There's no fault there what you just done, right? But from here on out, don't be frightened to explore different stuff that's going to let that rockiness come on top of it. Songs that maybe wouldn't have that, like pop songs or something like that, and put your spin on that. Because it's just refreshing. It's going to be refreshing for us to see. And I'm sure the girls don't mind seeing that, just mess with a couple of songs. As long as you rock it out, we're happy. But just, that's it, right? Just don't be frightened to explore different styles a little bit more with what you can do. Other than that, fantastic performance. Thank you very much.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.